Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. It's been a long time, but I'm back and I have a haul to share with you all. This is what I picked up at Ace Hardware, my local Ace Hardware store. So I finally got a Lazy Susan and I can fix my little caddy that I made over here that I've been putting off forever. These are the bunnies I picked up from Family Dollar and they're super cute. They're soft, like jelly soft and squeezable. So the other special thing about it is they light up. I love it. I love fancy pens or specialty pens. Start with the Dollar Tree. So today's floral from Dollar Tree, wisteria. So I guess they're wisteria. And these are the long stemmed florals that they have in a separate box, and they have it like hanging on one of the racks. So I got this purple and this violet color. To me, they're all the same. Purple is purple, but it's just a different shade of purple. So I got two of each. Our Dollar Tree finally got in the 11 by 14 frames. So I picked up 4. You can see there. So I have 4 frames of the 11 by 14. So here are some new buckets that Dollar Tree's picked up, or at least they're new to me. They're really big pails. And then I picked up these 3 baskets. They're a lot smaller. You see how short this one is. Here we go. It's a lot shorter, but I love the woven pattern, and the handles are also textured. They have little daisies or something on it. So I picked up a pink, a blue, and a purple. Then I picked up 2 candlesticks. 2 more candlesticks. So this is the new Captain Marvel wall decals, and I am so in love with it. Isn't that cool? The new superhero. Oh, I did get 2. They're just together. So got 2 of those. Fairy Garden supplies. So I picked these 2 up. Another set of the fairy figurines, and then you can see one is holding a water bucket and one is reading a book, and the other is holding a bundle of flowers. And then I got these animals. It's a deer, a rabbit, and a bird. And I finally found the garden stakes, the planter labels, and I'm going to use that in the fairy garden. So new to Dollar Tree, they had a end cap with wooden, what do you call these? Cutouts. So there were 2 frames. It was this one, a scalloped edge frame, and a flower frame. And I figured I would get this one because it's, less gender specific. And I think I could use this for a project. So I picked that up. My oldest son, his birthday's coming up. I picked those 2 numbers up. These are a good size candle, I guess. And then it comes with the happy birthday, so figured that would do great for his cake. I picked up some plates and some napkins. Supplies, I got some pom-poms, and they are 1-inch size pom-poms, and there's 80 pieces. And I picked up another bunny, and I got a few of these bouncy balls for more projects. And I picked up some purple party streamers, and that's for rosettes, making rosettes. And just a pack of baby wipes for my stamps, so I could clean my stamps up. Okay, so on the Easter aisle, the seasonal aisle, I picked up 1 of each color. This is glitter ribbon, and I'm hoping it doesn't, lose its glitter along the way. I just picked up the yellow, the purple, the pink, and the blue, one of each. I grabbed 1 pack of the bunny erasers. These are gonna be so cute. I saw Louisa on KSP by Louisa. She turned these little bunny erasers into keychain charms or charms, and I want to give that a try. These 2 headbands, and I got 1 purple and 1 pink. I got 2 of the plushies. I got a bunny, 1 bunny. It's a cute little bunny. At first I thought it was a long-eared dog, but you can see it's a bunny. And a little lamb, little cute little lamb, cute little ears. I got those 2, and I think it's gonna go into my Easter wreath. We shall see. This is the pink floral plate, and you can see the little bumblebees. Super cute, super cute. And the napkins are just as cute. And you get 12 in a pack for the plates, and you get 16 for the napkins. Aren't those pretty? And they're shaped napkins. They're not just square. So very cute. Reminds me of my sister. She loves tea time. Look at this one. This has butterflies on there and flowers. So there's pink and blue butterflies. And this also has some matching napkins. And it's also the floral, the scalloped napkin. I can see some pretty cute paper projects out of these. And then here's some pretty blue plates. Really, really cute. My mother loves blue. And here's the matching napkins. It is so adorable, both sides. So I got those for either crafting or, you know, using it as intended. But also at my Dollar Tree, in the birthday aisle, these are birthday magnets, okay? Have you ever seen birthday magnets like this? It says happy birthday. It has unicorns, package, some gems and stars, and a rainbow with a galaxy with Saturn. So that's what comes in the package. And look at the size on these. Oh my God. And this is the first one that I actually saw, and it is Happy Birthday Mermaids at Dollar Tree. These are the magnets, the fridge magnets. And look at how big these are. Gosh, that's like a 5-inch mermaid right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. I think that is super cute. So my Dollar Tree just unpacked these, and I got these 3 colors. I've got multicolors. These are little foam beads. Oh my gosh, I can see these in shakers or package box fillers or whatever you want to use them for. So I got the lime green and the pink. And I had the white from Christmas, and I used those in some of my Christmas projects like tags and shakers. These 2 sticker collections, 150, over 150. Oh, I love it. Look at that. Puffy stickers, glitter stickers, foils, and glossy. Oh, let's see. Look at those puffy stickers. And they have little tabs on the bottom. And it's so super cute. Look at they're labeled. Puffy stickers. It has a puffy label. See that? I'm in love with Wonder Woman. And yes, that's what I got. I picked up some Wonder Woman. This is a pencil set. Has a notepad, 2 Wonder Woman pencils, a pencil sharpener. Oh no, that's an eraser. That's a pencil sharpener. Eraser, sharpener, notepad. And this is the pen, and this one has 10 colors. Super cool. I love these pens. I really do. And it has her on there. It says warrior. It should say warrior princess, but that's okay. I picked up 2 of the makeup sponges. I picked up some Velcro dot polish remover. This is acetone for those that use gel polish. I also picked up some polish. I don't know if these are any good, but the colors are pretty. I got purple, of course. So here's a medium purple, and here's a glitter purple. This also has hardener in it, so I'm thinking that it should be good. I don't know. Gold, and this one has Purple Passion. That's the name of this color. And this one is Jewel Tone. So pretty, the glitter one. And this one is Dizzy. That's a funny name. And then I picked up a navy color one, and this is called, well, actually they call it Cobalt. So it's like a blue. Let me see that. I don't know, sometimes the camera is just crazy. So I got those. I'm gonna give those a shot. I had to pick up some lemon heads for my hubby. Haribo, and this is the bunny rabbit jelly, or what do they call it? Gummies. And then this is the Star Mix, and it just has a combination of everything. Everything Haribo. I picked up a bag of Werther's Caramel Apple Filled. I love this one. 2 bags each of the barbecue pork rind, the regular flavor once again. So that's it, guys. I think that is all for my haul, and hopefully I can get in some projects now, get into my rhythm for Easter and spring. It is officially March, and it is, what day is this? It is March the 5th. Snow be gone with ya. Okay, that's all I have to say. I'll see you all on the next video, and